Hello everyone, once again I am with you. Today in this video I will tell you how to apply the foundation is the right way. Basically there are two methods, but I am sharing one of them. So I use beauty blender. I take my foundation, my color is 128, is a Maybelline foundation. 128 is my color shade. So I take little much quantity. I take help with the beauty blender, apply your on face. Look at this, guys. Friends, don't put too much, just apply little bit and tap 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 tap. Don't forget your eyes, friends. Apply here, here and here. Don't forget your ear. Apply softly, touch. Don't touch very harsh, like this. Don't like this. Here. See how much quantity I take. I take little much. Apply here. So guys, like my channel Apsara Look Beauty Tips and subscribe, bell icon, press bell icon please for more video and more information. See guys, look at the difference. Now my face look more brighter, more shiner. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye guys.